What are you doing, Michelle?
Daddy, can I?
What are you doing?
Go away.
Why are you on the ground? She's on the ground because the bird came in the house. Come on.
I got to call Mama.
That poor bird's heart's probably about to explode because he's so scared. Where's the little stick thing?
Shut that door so he doesn't get
Are
in
you?
here.
He may go in there.
Hey, everybody open all the bedroom doors, especially Mom.
Let me see this.
No,
Look
no.
at
Daddy,
Cooper, get on.
Mother, nail it.
I'll hand Billy.
Get. He's
Daddy,
gonna fly
help me.
off, so watch
Cooper,
out.
watch out.
Get him.
Hey, you could have had him.
All right. No. Look.
Oh, you always had catch him.
Let's get him this way. Open the door wide. Don't hit him and stop.